Today on Retro Gamer Stash, we went to Goodwill and bought 3 controllers. Let's see if we can turn them around and turn them for a profit. Do you really think I'm going to start the episode out like that? Be generic just like all the other YouTubers that start their video like that? I don't think so. In this episode, I'm going to do something a little different. We went to Goodwill and we found 3 different controllers. I found this purple Atomic controller for the N64. But rest assured, I got the guts right here, so we have to put those back together. And it was missing a joystick, so I went ahead and bought the joystick from offline. Second, we found a PS3 wireless controller. Sounds like it's broke. But nonetheless, we got it for $384. We're going to give that a shot. See if we can't fix that. Then we got a PS2 one for the same price. And it also sounds like it's broken. Let's see if we can't turn around and fix all 3 of these and turn them for a profit. You guys might remember when N64 came out with all their different colors. Mine, personally, I got the jungle green one. I saved up all summer for it. I remember cutting grass, doing whatever I had to get the money for it. Then when I seen this on the shelf, I said, oh, you have to come home with me. They called this one, I believe, was the Atomic Purple Translucent. It was when they were doing their see-through systems. And I noticed it's got some cracks over here. So it's not in perfect shape, but you know, what's this channel about? Saving the retro stuff. And I seen the PS3 here. You know, I just got a couple PS3s sitting around, so I was like, that'd make fun to fix. Then, like I said, the PS2 here. They all have something rattling around inside them. So it'd be interesting to see what it is and see what we could fix. So I think this is just basically a put together. I think we'll save this for last. I'm curious about the PS3. PS3. This would be my first controller I have ever worked on with the PS3. And it looks like this is not even... Yeah, I think this might be third party. Because they don't say anywhere on here Sony. It's missing the P. Alright, so we're going to start out with the PS3, which I believe is a knockoff controller, because I got one here that is a PS3 Sony controller. And as you see, you got the emblem and Sony up top and DualShock 3. You always want to look for at least DualShock on there, because I mean, yeah, that's kind of their thing. They'll go DualShock 1, 2, 3, you know, 1 being the first system, 2 being PS2. And on the back it should say Sony. This one, no Sony. It's got the same model number, the CECHZC2E. Oh, never mind. This one's 2E and this one's TU. This one's 2U. Alright. Now that we got the PS3 knockoff controller here, the first step is to even see if it turns on. Alright. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Not a zilch 0. Well, now we know I don't have any power. Let's get into it. Yeah, we got plastic pieces going everywhere. That'd be why it wasn't unscrewing. It's broke off. Alright. Battery doesn't feel bulged. Let's see if we even got any charge on it. Alright. This battery has very, very dead battery. And dropping. Alright, well that's dead. Let's see here. Do you have any of these screws? Just kind of work it back and forth maybe? Or is it screws underneath the battery? Oh, be very careful. Well, we can see here's the reset button. Yep, see there was a screw band there. Figured there had to be something in there. Alright, let's put that aside knowing that one's different. Are you gonna come out? Oh, okay, here we go. Just gotta take thumbsticks off. Nope, they fit right through. Good. But it looks like we do have a ribbon cable. Lots of broken pieces. Okay, cool. Oh, somebody's already been in here. Unless they did that from the factory. See the tape? I mean, the board doesn't look too bad. I mean, they got some spots on here that could probably be... Oh. See that? It's not even soldered to the board. It's all broke. Think I could get those pins back in there maybe? Yeah, I wonder if maybe we just try resoldering that and see what happens. It's the least we could do, right? We need to get the microscope out. Alright, now that we got that soldered back together, let's see what she does. Connect our battery. It's blinking. Oh shoot. Well, guys, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be able to fix this. This is about as far as I got. Got it back together. And I mean, most we got out of it was, that's what we got, at least a blink, but then it, see, they won't even recognize it. Anyways, yeah, I'm afraid we're gonna have to call quits on this one. I don't think there's just far too much wrong with it to get it fixed. It's not worth it putting the money into, but it will be used for parts, because you always need parts. But yeah, just the price. I think the batteries are bad. The port is messed up, and to get a new port, it's like $6-7, which right there is like more than I paid for this whole thing. So if anything, I got a $3, $4 altogether after tax. Spare parts to create a Frankenstein or fix something that needs it. I mean, yeah, you know, like I said, we put time, money into it. It's not just going to be, it ain't even worth it. So remember to go out there and find those retro games, find those retro systems, and continue to grow that retro stack. I'll see you guys on the next one.